Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold has moved in the last month and how the price of gold can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we can see that gold had formed two patterns. Okay, first one is this pattern and second one is this pattern. This pattern is from 2012 to 2020, and this particular pattern, small pattern, is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, and now if you look at this particular pattern, after this particular pattern finished, the first pattern, what you have seen, a high and a low. Okay, after this high, the same pattern is repeated here, a high and a low. Okay, but after that what we have seen at a level of 2076. Okay, and hitting this particular high, from there we have seen again a bounce back. Okay, but we have not seen in this particular chart, if it goes above this level, then we can see it is forming same as this particular trend. Okay, so now what we can see, looking at this chart for the next month. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding gold or any other positions in commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in commodities, forex and stocks are working, and you can join my Telegram channel also, link I have given in the description. See, if you look at the chart closely, what we can see, I am showing a weekly chart. Why I am showing a weekly chart? Because you should not form an opinion based on a day movement. Okay, so suppose if the price is moving weekly upside, if you form a opinion based on this particular day for a day, then you will lose all a weekly view. That is why I am showing a weekly view, and then this week if you calculate continuously, we can see it can move and form a month view. I will show you a month view also, but first of all you check this weekly how I am telling you. Suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see, if this particular level sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $1843, and if that also sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 1849. Suppose 1849 sustain, because this particular 1843 is a weak support, so probability is high, we can see a level of 1849. So once 1849 sustain above this level, a probability of touching a level of 1851 will be there, and once 1851 cross upside, a probability of touching 1875 will be there. Okay, so once if it goes above a level of 1875, then we can see a probability of making a cup pattern will be there. Then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1907, and then further upside we can see in the price of gold. Okay, then you can say a cup pattern has formed and a trend upside we can see. But suppose, as you know, the market is uncertain. You cannot predict that if it cannot go in one direction, and you cannot say that it will move like this, because if some stock or any other price will move, it will move like this. It will move, hold for some time and then move in the same way, it will come the same, vice versa. Okay, but suppose if this level didn't sustain, currently trading at around 1817.77, if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 1805. Okay, and this is a weak support, so probability is very high, we can see it can move to a level of 1788. Okay, and once if it goes below that level, then we can see it can go further downside to a level of $1777. Okay, and suppose if that level goes downside further down, then we can see it can go to a level of 1763. Okay, and if that level goes down further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $1751. Suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of 17 $35, and once if it goes below that level, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of $1721. Okay, and once if it goes below that level, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $1685, and from there we can see it can move further down. Okay, keep this in mind. If the price goes below a level of 1624, then probability of going downside will be very fast. Okay, now you have to understand something. If you are going for a longer view for investing in gold and trading, for trading and investing in gold, you can go for 5-10 years. You can buy and keep, because we can see that gold price has come down, but it has always been a volatile. And say if the market goes up and down, people start investing in gold, because you will see that it is a safe haven for all the investors, where if the market goes up and down, people mostly comes in gold and invest. Okay, now suppose if you are trading with $10,000, I'm just giving you an example. So try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, that comes to 1000 to 1500, and risk 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100, max of $100 to $150 per trade. Okay, now suppose if you take 5 trades a day, all these 5 trades are wrong. Suppose hypothetically you will lose $500 max. Okay, then exit the trade for the day. Now the psychology point is there that the next day you will not focus more on recovering the loss, rather you will focus on profit. Okay, so you will not be in a burden to recover that particular loss if you lost $500. But what people do is they lose big amount, that 5,000, 3,000, then they try to recover the next day, which in turn lose their full capital. Okay, this is what a mistake that they do. This is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.